Let's fix if you can't allow microphone access to your iPhone apps. Now, if you're trying to allow the microphone so that you can record a video or maybe make a call, but it's just not working or showing up, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's first just head into the settings because screen time could be the culprit. So let's scroll down until you find the screen time option. Tap on that. And then we'll scroll down until we get to content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that. Now, the first thing you can do is tap on microphone. It could be set to don't allow changes. You can always switch this to allow changes, but you can also go back out of here and just toggle off content and privacy restrictions because you don't necessarily need it if you don't want it. Now, the next thing I would recommend doing is going back to the beginning here, and we're going to tap on privacy and security. From here, all we need to do is scroll down until we find the microphone, tap on that, and you can see every app that has requested access to your microphone. Now, keep in mind, you can always just toggle it off and then toggle it back on to reset access to the microphone. If you see an app on here that is showing up, you can always turn it on. But if an app doesn't show up on here, it's just not on that list, then let's move on to the next step. Let's go back to the very beginning here. We will tap on General, scroll down, and then tap on Shutdown. You'd be surprised how many times just turning your phone off and restarting it fixes a lot of bugs or glitches on your iPhone. After you've done that, let's scroll up here, tap on iPhone storage, and you're going to find the specific app that's causing you issues. Let's say it was Snapchat. All you need to do is offload this app. This deletes out the cache and temporary files. And by reinstalling it, it force updates it to the latest version, a lot of times fixing bugs or glitches, including access to the microphone. After that, you should be good to go. If this helped you out, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.